Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the ignition coils and the spark plugs on Mercedes CLS350 W219. The procedure is similar for other Mercedes like C-Class, E-Class, S-Class with the same engine, 350 engine. In order to get to the spark plugs, first we need to remove this engine cover, which is also the air filter housing. Now that the air filter housing is removed, we have access to the 6 ignition coils and the spark plugs underneath. That's the 3 coils on this side and 3 coils on the other side. Next I'll show you a diagram of the cylinders and how they're numbered. Arrow pointing to the right, that's the front of the engine, and 1, 2, 3 is on this side and 4, 5, 6 is on that side. On left side is 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3 right there. To remove the ignition coils, first we need to remove the electrical connectors, and each ignition coil is held by 2 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. When we remove the 2 bolts and the electrical connector, we're going to pull out the ignition coil. That's the ignition coil out. That's the number of the ignition coil that I'm using. And now I'll show you the spark plug. The spark plug is located right there. In order to remove the spark plug, we need the long socket size 16 and also a long extension. And that's how we're going to remove the spark plug. After the spark plug is loose, we can get a magnet and just pull out the spark plug. That's the spark plug right there. Now we're going to put on the new spark plug. We're going to put in the spark plug using a magnet. And now we're going to tighten the spark plug. First we're going to start hand tightening it, and then we're going to use a ratchet. In order to tighten it the right way, the right specs for the spark plugs is 23 Newton meters. And as the spark plug tightened to 23 Newton meters, now I'm going to put on the ignition coil, and then we can put on the 2 bolts and the electrical connector, and we go to the next one. Replacing the other ignition coils and spark plugs is exactly the same as replacing the first one. I will go through all of them just to see what I'm doing exactly. Now that all the spark plugs are replaced, we're going to put the bolts on, tighten them, and then we're done with replacing the ignition coils and spark plugs. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.